method of the moisturizing device. Take out the moisturizing liquid and the empty bottle. Pour the moisturizing liquid into the empty bottle. Cover the lid. Remove the ink supply bag. Straighten the ink tube and insert it into the bottle. Use a syringe to extract the ink sac. Take 5 milliliters from each one. The moisturizing supply is ready. Turn off the equipment and open the upper cover. Confirm that the ink card is locked. Loosen the fixing screws. Don't lose the screws. Keep them well. Put it in a plastic bag. Don't dirty the machine. Install a continuous moisturizing supply. Be careful not to let the ink tube get knotted. Each one is inserted in place. Each one is inserted in place. Open the side cover. Draw the waste ink tubes. Draw to tubes. Allow the moisturizing liquid to fully penetrate the print head. When extracting, don't apply too much force. Prevent internal cracking of the print head, because it is very exquisite inside. Extracting such a clear moisturizing liquid indicates that the print head has been completely soaked. Put the used ink tube back in.